The 2026 Black Hornet Nano is one of the most remarkable advancements in drone technology, a device so small yet so capable that it's transforming how nations think about surveillance, reconnaissance, and defense. At first glance, the Black Hornet Nano doesn't even look like a typical military drone. It's incredibly compact, light enough to fit in the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to deliver battlefield intelligence in real time. This tiny drone represents a new era where size no longer limits capability, and its arrival in 2026 is setting new standards for military and security operations worldwide. When you think of drones, you might imagine large machines with roaring propellers and a heavy footprint, but the Black Hornet Nano is designed with stealth, agility, and efficiency in mind. It weighs just a few grams, making it practically silent when in operation. This level of stealth allows it to go completely unnoticed in both urban and rural environments, capturing images and transmitting video without alerting anyone nearby. Its size is often compared to that of a smartphone, yet it houses some of the most advanced miniature sensors available today. The technology inside the 2026 model has improved significantly compared to earlier generations. Engineers have equipped it with enhanced cameras capable of both day and night vision, allowing soldiers and operators to gather intelligence regardless of the conditions. It can transmit encrypted video feeds back to its controller in real time, ensuring decision makers have accurate, up-to-the-minute information. Battery life, which used to be a major limitation for such tiny devices, has been extended thanks to next-generation power cells, enabling longer flight times and broader missions without frequent recharging. One of the most impressive aspects of the Black Hornet Nano is its ability to operate in complex environments. Whether it's navigating through narrow alleyways in dense cities, flying low over rugged terrain, or even entering buildings through small openings, this drone adapts seamlessly. Its stabilizing technology ensures smooth, steady flight, even in windy or unstable conditions. That means soldiers on the ground can trust the footage they receive, knowing it isn't distorted by shaky movement or environmental interference. The 2026 edition is also deeply integrated into modern digital ecosystems. It doesn't just capture video, it analyzes data on the fly. Artificial intelligence built into the system can recognize patterns, detect movement, and even highlight potential threats automatically. This reduces the burden on operators, who no longer have to analyze every second of footage themselves. Instead, the Black Hornet Nano becomes an intelligent partner, offering insights that can change the outcome of missions. For countries like Australia, which are increasingly investing in defense modernization, the Black Hornet Nano represents a leap forward. Its portability means every soldier can carry one as part of their standard equipment, turning each individual into a reconnaissance unit. Instead of relying on larger drones or manned aircraft, units in the field can deploy their own nano for immediate intelligence. This not only increases efficiency but also saves lives, as commanders can better assess risks before sending soldiers into dangerous situations. Beyond military applications, the potential for civilian use is also massive. Search and rescue teams could deploy the Black Hornet Nano to locate missing persons in dense forests, collapsed buildings, or hazardous environments where sending people would be too risky. Law enforcement agencies might use it for surveillance in high-risk situations, while disaster response teams could rely on it to assess damage after earthquakes, floods, or fires. Its small size means it can access areas larger drones simply cannot reach. Of course, such advanced technology also raises important questions. Privacy concerns, the potential misuse of surveillance tools, and the ethical implications of widespread deployment are issues that governments and societies will need to address. However, when used responsibly, the Black Hornet Nano stands as a groundbreaking tool that combines safety, efficiency, and intelligence in a way that was once thought impossible. The 2026 Black Hornet Nano isn't just a drone, it's a symbol of how far human engineering has come. From its feather-light design to its powerful onboard systems, it embodies the future of reconnaissance and defense. As nations continue to adopt and refine this technology, we are witnessing the rise of a new standard where drones are no longer just flying machines, but intelligent companions that redefine how we see, analyze, and act in the world around us.